All right, so today we're gonna use our new pink rope and show you guys how to install a rope onto our Borne Off-Road winch. So first, on the winch drum, there's one bolt that holds the rope on. So you're gonna use a 5mm Allen key and just remove this bolt. And then take the bracket on the end of your rope and reattach it with that same bolt. And just snug that down. You don't have to worry about cranking down on that super tight. The rope wrapped around the drum is really what holds the rope to the winch. So now that's all you need to do to attach the rope to the winch itself. And then the next step is as simple as just reeling in the rope. The one thing to note though is you do want to spool the rope up under tension. So if you're doing this in your garage or your shop or whatever, and you want to just reel the rope up on the winch to get out onto the trails, before you do any actual winching, you want to pull the rope all the way back out and spool it up, pulling your vehicle up a slight incline or with slight brake pressure applied. You can check out some of our other Borne Off-Road videos on our YouTube channel to see specifically how to do that.